fine. You all must be feeling like a kid in a candy store. So today we are having, critical thinking class, right? And the topic of today's class is who is having more responsibilities. Girls are having more responsibilities or boys are having more responsibilities. Nowadays, as we know that girls are literally working very hard. Girls are being sedulous, industrious, plodding and hardworking. They are literally working very hard. They are taking care of their children as well. They are working outside as well. They are doing the job, right? They are putting efforts for becoming something as well. They are trying to be a singer. They are trying to be something in their life. They are sacrificing their dreams as well. Having been at home, they are taking care of their children. They are educating their children as well. Women, right? So we must have seen, right? So many women are there. They are literally working very hard. They are taking care of their children as well. And they are trying to fulfill their dreams as well. So nowadays in the society we see that girls are literally working very hard. Women are working very hard because they are working at home, right? They are working at home and they are working outside as well, right? On the other hand, if we see boys are also hardworking. Boys are also literally sedulous, industrious. Our fathers, they are going outside. They are sweating a lot. They are literally working for us, for the betterment of our future. They are paying our fees, our tuition fees, our school fees. They are lifting the expenditure of our family, right? They are paying the tuition fees. They are paying the house rents, right? So boys are also, men are also very hardworking. They are literally working very hard. So today we are going to get to know who is literally having more responsibilities. Girls are having more responsibilities or boys are having more responsibility. So boys can speak in the favor of boys are having more responsibility. Girls can speak in the favor of girls are having more responsibility. Or if any girls are there, because they are, if we see more girls are there, so girls can support boys as well. Any girls who wants to be supporter of boys, they can be supporter of boys as well, because boys are having more responsibilities. They can say that as well. They are having more honors, more responsibility than girls. So now we are going to start. So before we get started, are you all excited?
Yes, sir.
Literally?
Yes, sir.
So first of all, you all will give your little introduction, then you will start speaking whatever you want to put, or in which whoever you are. If you are in the favor of yes, boys are having more responsibility, more onus on their shoulders, right? Most of the girls are there, they are literally having more responsibility on their shoulder. They are having more onus than boys, right? Girls are also there and boys are also there. They are literally having more onus, more responsibility on their shoulder. They are literally working very hard. So today in critical thinking session, in this session, we are going to get to know, we are going to touch the reality, we are going to see the fact who is literally having more responsibility, right? भाई बहुत दुख दर्द है किसकी लाइफ में? लड़कियों की लाइफ में दुख दर्द है, पेन ज़्यादा है, या ज़्यादा उनको रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मिली है, या फिर लड़कों को ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मिली है? लड़कियों को ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है लड़कों को? तो कुछ लोग सोचते हैं कि लड़कियों को भाई ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, लड़कियाँ पिसती हैं। कुछ लोगों का ये भी मानना है जो घर में बड़ा होता है ना, बड़ा भाई, वो पिसता है, राइट? तो ये टॉपिक है आज का। तो देखते हैं आज आपके क्या क्या पॉइंट्स आने वाले हैं। भाई इंटरेस्टिंग सेशन होने वाला है। मुझे तो लगता है मैं किसी के भी फेवर में नहीं हूँ। अभी ये नहीं बोलूँगा कि लड़के के पास ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है। हम आगे सेशन को कंटिन्यू करेंगे, देखेंगे, रियलिटी को टच करेंगे एंड देन फिर समझेंगे कि किसके पास ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज हैं, गर्ल्स के पास या बॉयज़ के पास। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। या
Splendid good afternoon to one and all. First, I would like to say thank to my students, sir, for having me this golden opportunity. As well, I would like to say thanks to all the viewers, spectators, grandiose, brandy likewise companions who all are over her present. So my name is Saib Ansari, and today topic girls versus boys with more responsibility.
बहुत बढ़िया।
So first of all, a very special warm giving to my grandest girl, marvelous and supercalifragilisticexpialidocious companion and my friends, and as well as a charming personality, my Sagosan man sir, who organized this fantabulous, marvelous session. So my name is Sarvam. So I would like to thanks the organization New Generation Institute, supported by Surya Srishti and my co-founder Suraj sir, who organized this marvelous session. In today's session, there's a debate session, and the topic name is girls versus boys. Who is having more responsibility on their shoulder? So I'm supporting boys.
वेरी गुड ओके आप हाँ इनको पास कर दो भाई
Splendid, good evening to one and all. This is me Lakshya, and today we are having a marvelous, fantabulous, grandiloquent, and a very supercalifragilistic, explanatory debate session, and on which there is a topic: who has more responsibilities, girls or boys? And I'm in the favor of girls. But first of all, I would like to say thanks to Secretary Mr. Suraj sir and Mr. Sanjeev sir for having me this golden opportunity, and as well as I would like to say thanks to all the viewers, all the spectators, all the companions who all are present over here.
Splendid, good evening to one and all. This is me, Monica, and today we are having very marvelous, fantabulous, grandiose, grandiloquent, and a very supercalifragilistic, expialidocious topic. And the topic is who has more responsibility, boys and girls. But first of all, I would like to say thanks to the founder of New Generation Institute, which is Mr. Suzuki Sister, Secretary sir, Mr. Suraj sir, and Mr. Sanjeev sir for having this golden opportunity. As well as I would like to say thanks to all the viewers, all the spectators, and my esteemed host of this session.
you are speaking in the favor of
I'm in the favor of girls.
yeah
So, hello everyone, this is me Bhumi in front of you all. Firstly, I would like to thank Mr. Suraj sir for having me this golden opportunity to speak in front of you all. And today is a debate session class, and I'm in a favor of who has more responsibility, and I'm in a favor of girls has more responsibility. So I believe that girls are having more responsibility. So yeah.
Hello everyone, this is me Dikshi front of you all. Today we are having a fantabulous, marvelous, grandiloquent and supercalifragilisticexpialidocious topic. First of all, I would like to say thanks my secretary and Suraj sir, Sanjeev sir for giving me these golden opportunities. As well as those, I would like to say thanks all the viewers, all the spectators who all are present over here. According to me, girls have more responsibility than boys.
इनको दे दो
Hello, all my outstanding, marvelous, tremendous, amazing, as well as to those who are having terrific personality. I would like to say thanks to my Suraj sir, who gave me this golden opportunity to speak in front of my amicable friends. So my name is Justin, and my topic name is who are having who have more responsibility, girls versus boys, and I am favoring girls.
Okay, so everybody has given their introduction.
Yes, sir.
Has been finished, right? So now you can start speaking. From which side you are speaking, right? Go ahead. So who wants to speak first? Ladies first, right? Okay, go ahead.
So I'm Lakshya, and I'm favoring girls. So according to me, girls have more responsibilities because girls have to perform multiple roles in a family. Like they have to play a role of a big sister, a good daughter, a good student, and many more. And according to me, girls have more responsibilities because they have to take pressure of the society also. Like society always most of the time society point out girls, like they have to do this or they have to do this. And girls have responsibilities of the household also. If there is a girl who is elder in the house and she is having younger siblings, so she have to take care of the siblings also and take care of the household chores also.
So I will support boys. You know, boys are having more responsibilities in their life from their birth. From their birth means they are having responsibilities on their shoulder. That when they will come to means become adult, they have to become an earning pillar of their family. You know, it is the means words of only talking that only girls are having the more responsibilities than the boy. Boys are having more responsibility because boy also play a multiple roles. Only means the society means specify the roles of a female. Like he become a mother, he become a daughter, he become a sister, he become she become that all things.
The gender.
No sir, I have not changed. But you know, if you take the example of boys, also boys are also there. So a boy become father, a boy become a son, a boy become a brother, a boy become means most people also multiple role, and by playing the multiple role, he has to means protect the means families. Like you have to protect the sister, you have to protect the daughter, daughter. He have to protect. Means his whole
He
family.
has to.
He has to. It's a distinction.
Monica. Okay.
According to me, responsibilities isn't about the gender. I think it's about the expectations of a society and roles. Like girls, when a girl is born, like their society expects too much from them. They are putting all the pressure on their shoulders that she is taught to be caring, intelligent, honest, everything at that same time. Like you have to be polite, you have to be honest, you have to be everything at the same time. When you are becoming a mother, you are facing everything, you are saying everything. Like you are holding a child in your stomach for 9 months, and then you are listening, Mama, what are you doing for me? She is taking all the responsibilities on her alone shoulder, and then she is listening, Mama, what are you doing for me? What are you wearing? When girls listen that I have to go to job because I'm an elder daughter, and then society is saying, why she is going there? Why she is wearing this? Why she is doing this kind of things? I don't think so. We should just think about the society, and we should take the pressure of a society. But still, in this generation, girls have a more responsibility than boys, because they are having a little siblings. They are putting efforts for them, and then they are also listening a family problems. Then or they are facing a betrayal from a friendships. So many things are there. According to me, girls have a more responsibilities.
बहुत बढ़िया, clap. You guys can clap for your team. If any person is there who is speaking in a fantabulous way, in a marvelous way, in a grandiloquent way, in a supercalifragilisticexpialidocious way, so support your team so that these people are going to get solved. Oh my God, they have spoken very nice points, so that they are going to feel it. Yeah, they are about to be defeated. Okay, but if they are going to speak, so you guys have to support your team. Okay, is that clear? So anybody, next who wants to speak? As far as I'm able to witness or I'm able to feel that, so winners, if I'm going to say that, so they are going to be winners. Girls are going to have more responsibility, more honest. Okay, next point.
So according to me, girls have more responsibility to the boys, and a girls always hears that come home early, behave properly, sit properly, and everything they face, like they struggle a lot.
And they are not allowed to go outside as
They
well.
are not
They
allowed
are having to
because
face so many obstacles, hindrances they are having to face. Like if girls are going outside, with whom had you met? With whom had you talked? Who is that guy? Who is that boy?
So, yes.
Why had he come to our house? Why had he come to our house? Right? Yeah. So why had he come to our house? You can't join dance class. Yeah, you can't join dance class. Girls are said like this by their parents. Parents say to girls, if they are having girls, so they are having daughters, so they say, no, you can't join dance class. Why? Because they are destroying their future. They are dancing like couple dance and all, like they are having misconception in their minds. Parents are having. They don't see other side that they can grow in their life. Excuse me, dear people, girls can grow. Girls are not allowed to grow in their life. It's fact, or I'm just talking. I'm meant to speak, that's why I'm speaking. It's fact, na? Are you getting or not? Girls want to join dance class, but they are not allowed to join. I'm so sad about it. I'm feeling so upset about it. Really. I'm so sad about it because girls want to join dance class, but they are not allowed. If they are allowed, so there should be another brother of her. Then she can go with the brother. भाई के साथ जा सकती है. हाँ, भाई जा रहा है तो ज्वाइन करेगी डांस क्लास, वरना नहीं करेगी. जूडो, कराटे या कुछ भी ज्वाइन करना होगा तो भाई जा रहा है तो जब तक ज्वाइन करेगी. अगर भाई ने छोड़ दिया तो नहीं, तू नहीं जा सकती, तेरा अलाउड नहीं है. तू कहीं पे भी जा रही है, कुछ भी कर रही है, मैं तेरे से पीछे आऊंगा. पेरेंट्स की मेंटेलिटी इतनी, क्या बोले भाई, मतलब लड़कियों को तो हक ही नहीं है अपनी जीवन जीने का. कोई हक नहीं है भाई. कहीं पे भी जा रही है साथ में जाएंगे, या तो अकेले जाने नहीं दिया जाता. गर्ल्स आर नॉट अलाउड टू गो अलोन. बाय बीइंग अलोन, हैविंग बीन अलोन, दे कांट गो एनीवेयर. कौन समझेगा? Who will understand? Who will understand their pain? Who who will understand their pain which they are having inside of them. They are so forlorn, unhappy. They are not satiated, propitiated, pacified, appeased with their life which they have been given by their parents. Girls are saying like that, why have you given me birth? Why have you given me birth? मेरी आंखों में मेरी दर्द नहीं दिखाई देता तुम्हें? सही फोकस करो आंखों. हाँ. Can't you see my pain in my eyes? Can't you see pain in my eyes? Why have you given me birth on this planet? I don't want to live this life. I'm fed up with this life. I'm fed with my father. I'm fed with my mother. I'm fed with my brother because he keeps on disturbing me all the time. He keeps on agitating me all the time. Because whenever I want to talk with somebody else on phone calls as well, if I want to talk on phone calls with someone or somebody as well, my brother comes to me. He starts irritating me. With whom are you talking? Hey, show me your phone. With whom are you talking? With whom are you talking? You are talking with this guy? Then it's bad for you. These kinds of situations are being created in the family of girls, like in the families, right? Am I right or not? So girls are having more responsibility. They have to think about each and every step, what sort of steps they are taking, infinitesimal steps. With my perspective, I have been able to observe this thing because wherever they are going, whatever they are doing, they are not allowed to do that thing. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Or am I speaking for speaking only? It's fact, na? It's reality. It's reality. It's reality. Right? So, is there anybody who wants to speak? Next boy. Yeah.
Girls are very smart than boys because girls take care of siblings and girls are responsible for
Responsible for everything.
everything and
Yeah.
Girls-
They do household work.
yes,
Like they are mopping, they are cleaning tables, they are washing utensils, right?
yes.
And they are taking care of children as well, right? That's what.
Girls are responsible for our career and education and future. Bas.
And one more point, as far as I am able to witness, I am able to understand that she wants to say that girls are more focused on the education,
Yes, sir.
right? And we can see that in reality because girls, women, we can take the example of our mother. She keeps on educating us, having been at home, right or wrong? But our father, they go outside, they work outside, they don't focus on the children, right? But if you talk about mothers, they are more focused on their children. They give attention, they give time, they give love, they give, are you getting? They give attention, love, everything to their children. And I'm talking about mothers, and they are girls, right? Girls are more focused on the education of their children. So they are able to become something in their life. How are they able to become something in their life? Just because of mother, obviously. And they are our mother, but they are girls. They are our mother, but they are girls. Girls are having more responsibility. We can see because women, having been at home, they are more focused on the children. They are giving time, they are giving attention, they are giving love. They are taking pain. They are taking pain. So girls are having more boys. What is the work of boys? They go outside, do work. They do the job and earn money and give money to whom? That's it. I am earning money. That's why you are able to pay the rent. I'm earning money. That's why you are able to pay the school fees. I'm earning money. That's why you are able to buy vegetables. I'm earning money. That's why you are able to eat food. How are you able to eat food? Just because of men. Just because of your husband. That's why I'm working outside. That's why girls have to listen. Girls have to listen all the time. They have to be taunted by the ना man, all time they have to be taunted. Girls have to be taunted by men, by boys, all time. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
मतलब लड़कियों को तो हक ही नहीं है अपनी जिंदगी जीने का भाई, सच में नहीं है हक। क्यों नहीं है? क्योंकि भाई पति बाहर काम करता है आकर के मेरी वजह से खा रही है तुम, मेरी वजह से सब्जी आती है घर में, जो सब्जी आ रही है ना घर में किसी वजह से आती है, मेरी वजह से मैं बाहर काम करता हूँ। लेकिन ये नहीं देखते कि लड़कियां भी हैं जो कि घर का काम करती हैं, सब्जियां बनाती हैं। अगर वो कहीं पे जाके शेफ का या कुछ जॉब वगैरह कर लेना तो वो उतना कमा लेंगे जितना तुम ला करके भी नहीं देते हो। जो सब्जियां बनाती है ना वो घर में कितना बचा देती है, वो नहीं देखते कोई। इस रियलिटी को कोई देखते ही नहीं है। कोई देखता है? अगर वो बाहर काम करने लग जाए, अगर लोगों के लिए वो टिफिन बनाने लग जाए, वो इतना पैसा कमा लेंगे ना जितना तुम कमा भी नहीं पाओगे। टिफिन अगर बनाना है स्टार्ट कर दिया, सिर्फ टिफिन, लड़कियों को कम मत समझो। सही बात है या नहीं है? लड़कियों को कम मत समझो, सबसे ज्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी गर्ल्स के पास होती है, ये कोई देखता नहीं है। बोलते हैं कि बॉयज 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 के पास रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, कुछ नहीं होती है। सही में बॉयज करते क्या है? कुछ नहीं करते। करते क्या है? जाकर के सिर्फ जॉब करते हैं, पैसे कमाते हैं और ताने मारते हैं बस अपनी बहन को। अपने आप को स्ट्रॉन्ग समझते हैं, फिजिकली तो स्ट्रॉन्ग दिखते हैं और अपने आप को स्ट्रॉन्ग मान लेते हैं। ये गलत फहमी है बॉयज की। तो ये गलत फहमी मत पालो यार, सब कुछ पालो, सब कुछ पालो, बच्चे पालो, बकरी पालो, गोट पालो, भैंस पालो, लेकिन गलत फहमी मत पालो। ये मेरा डायलॉग है, ठीक है? सब कुछ पालो, लेकिन सबसे ज्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज किसके ऊपर होती है? गर्ल्स के ऊपर होती है। कोई समझता नहीं होता दर्द। Nobody understands their pain. कोई नहीं समझता उनका पेन, समझने को तैयार ही नहीं है। थोड़ा पैसा क्या कमा लेते लड़के, थोड़ा सा क्या कमा लेते, इतना घमंड भर भर के यहाँ भाई मैं ही हूँ सब कुछ। तुम कर क्या रहे हो? तुम्हारी जो लाइफ है, मेरी वजह से जी रहे हो, मेरी वजह से रह पा रहे हो, मेरी वजह से तुम घर पे रह पा रहे हो, मेरी वजह से तुम सब्जी खा पा रहे हो, मेरी वजह से तुम खाना खा पा रहे हो। अब क्या हो गया? मतलब मैं थोड़े जिस साइड हो जाता हूँ उसका फिर कोई बोलते ही नहीं है।
सर मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ।
यस गुड, आप सपोर्ट करो, आप सपोर्ट
शक्ति दे
सपोर्ट।
you know there are multiple points were there from the team of girls. They were saying means they're not allowed to go outside, they're not allowed to do dance, they're not allowed to do whatever they want to do. Means the parents, what the parent says means take your brother with you, take the brother with you, take your father with you, until your father is until your brother is working in doing in that institution, in that tuition, you can continue there. When your father and when your mother when your brother will leave that, you have to leave. I want to ask one thing here in this sentence. So in this sentence who is having the more response, who is having the more responsible? Girls are being pressurized. Girls, if the topic would be the who is having more pressure on their shoulder, of course I will support the girls. But if they talk about the responsibilities, in the sentence, the girls are having more being pressurized, not responsibilities. Boys are going with the girls, and boys are having more responsibility on their shoulder, that they have to support the girls, they have to protect the protect their partner, protect their sister, protect their mother. At that sentence, and someone was saying about money. Also, you were saying about money. That means boy go outside and earn the money, go for the job, and come to the home and means become superior in the family and saying like I earn the money, I do this thing. I don't know, so things are there like all boys are coming here. I means Rob Jhadna क्या बोलेंगे sir? Rob Jhadna.
They are dominating means becoming a dominant male and patriarchal society. They are dominating they are dominating all that. I don't would like to say these things, sir. Boys are not this kind of. I say girls are this kind of. If means boys are earning money, they're earning for their family.
Boys are earning money, earning for their family, earning for their children, earning for their wife, earning for their whole parents, and that all things, all the responsibilities are on the shoulders. Girls are only supporting them. Girls are only supporting them by means utilizing that money into the family. Girls are not more responsible according to household work can't be anything without the money. And who is earning money? The boy. If in a family, the family is too poor, every time sir, I want to ask, they were saying, like she was saying, from the childhood, girls are forced, for what? For behaving good, for behaving in good manner, for being polite, to study, to study well. She was saying about this only. I want to say, लड़के पढ़े या ना पढ़े, उनको कमाना फिर भी पड़ेगा. For what? For the family members. Means they are having, वहाँ से भी उनको तीर खाना है, यहाँ से भी उनको तीर खाना ही है. If they are not educating themselves, they have to do hard work and more hard work for earning money. If they are getting good education, also after that also they have to earn money at that time. Girls, when the small child, the father and taking care of them by earning money, by producing the potential of his powers. And after the marriage also, the husband is there to protect her and to maintain her needs and basic needs, whatever the family need. I want to say the boys having more and more responsibilities than the girls.
देखो, as I had said one thing in the starting, in the middle of debate, I said सब कुछ पालो, बकरी पालो, भैंस पालो, गाय पालो, बच्चे पालो, 10 बच्चे पालो, 20 बच्चे पालो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, लेकिन एक चीज मत पालना कभी, वो है गलती कभी मत पालो. ये डायलॉग हमेशा याद रखो, गलती कभी मत पालो. सब कुछ पालो, गलत फहमियां मत पालो माइंड में. ये लोचा है ना, जो लोचा वर्ड, ये अपने माइंड में मत रखो भाई, फालतू की चीज. ठीक है, तो कहने का मतलब ये है, तुम यू आर सेइंग दैट बॉयज आर अर्निंग. हु सेज that boys are earning more money?
Yes, sir.
If I give you examples, more girls are there, they are earning. If you see the data, you will find that in majority of the cases, you will find that I have researched, I have seen, it's based on fact as well. The girls, the amount which they are able to earn then better than boys. मेरी सिस्टर भी है, अच्छा खासा कमा लेती है. मैं तो कहता हूँ मेरे से अच्छा कमा लेती है. और ऐसी बहुत सारी लड़कियां हैं, मॉडलिंग करती हैं, मॉडलिंग से बहुत अच्छा कमा लेती है, शोज करती है, इवेंट्स करती है, बहुत अच्छा कमा लेती है. जागरण की सिंगर्स हैं, कौन है वो? लड़कियां हैं. टीचर्स ज्यादातर कौन पाई जाती हैं? फीमेल पाई जाती है. लड़के कम मिलेंगे आपको. डाटा देखो आप, आईपीएस देखो, डाटा चेक करो, आपको पता चलेगा. आईपीएस आईएएस आपको ज्यादातर कौन मिलेंगी? गर्ल्स मिलेंगी. कौन मिलेंगी? अरे उसको छोड़ो यार, उसको छोड़ो.
Google is saying that men are earning more money.
ठीक है, काम देखो एक है, दोनों में देखो, फिर गलत फहमी बात है. दोबारा दिखा देता हूँ रियलिटी.
सर गूगल
काम कर रहे हैं ज्यादा कौन? देखो, काम कर रहे हैं ज्यादा लड़के. बिल्कुल सच बात है. तुमने जो डाटा दिखाया,
अर्निंग मोर
जो कर रहा है ना, वो कौन कर रहा है? लड़कियां. अभी डाटा देखो अच्छे से, है ना. लड़कियां एक दिन में 6,000, 7,000, 10,000 एक दिन में कमा लेती हैं पैसा. इवेंट से, शो से, सिंगिंग से, तो बहुत सारा पैसा आपने आसपास में देख रहे हो. तो आप देख रहे हो जो लड़के काम कर रहे हैं, लड़कों को पहली बार तो काम ही नहीं मिलता. काम मिलता है तो बहुत हार्डली दे आर गेटिंग द जॉब. वो भी बहुत बेकार जॉब मिलती है और उसमें भी कम पैसा मिलता है.
Schools.
Right? You will see that girls are there, they are earning more than boys. Girls are there, they are earning more than boys.
No sir, Google says it.
Next.
I can find in so many softwares that boys earn more.
Okay, I would like to counter Sharvan, who is supporting boys, because why are you going? Please face the points. Okay, let's be serious, guys. He is saying that boys is earning. तुम खाना बना रहे हो, तुम ये चीजें कर रहे हो. He is saying so many things about it. Like
नहीं एक सेकंड सर नो भैया देखो आप बोल रहे हैं कि लाइक ब्रदर सी यू आर सेइंग दैट कि बॉयज आर अर्निंग एंड ब्रिंगिंग मनी टू द हाउस दैट्स व्हाई you are able to eat but आप नोट खाओगे ये बताओ वो नोट है जो पेपर से नोट होता है जब तक वो रोटी बनेगी नहीं ना आटे से तब तक कुछ नहीं खा पाओगे जब तक घर में सब्जी नहीं आएगी तब तक कुछ नहीं खा पाओगे आप ये बता दो
another point. Okay, wait, 2 minutes. रुकोगे? Point. तुमने क्या बोला था last point?
what have you said the last one
Okay, let's come to the point. He is saying so many things about the boys that he is having pressure. He is having like pressure है pressure को support करता है ये करता so many things are there. But I would like to say one thing that अगर तुम अपने घर में हो when you are in your house क्या बोलते हैं उसे माइका बोलते हैं जो भी बोलता है वो हम बोल सकते हैं पता है क्यों क्योंकि लोग पता क्या बोलते हैं बेटा तुम्हारा कोई घर नहीं होता
तुम्हारा कोई घर नहीं होता
यू आर नॉट हैविंग योर ओन हाउस तुम एक स्ट्रेंज हाउस में रह रहे हो यू आर लिविंग इन अ स्ट्रेंज हाउस तुम पहले अपने घर में रह रहे हो देन यू आर when you are studying you are fulfilling every household works you are fulfilling every younger sister younger brother wishes or dreams you are fulfilling everything then you know क्या सुनोगे कि अभी तेरे को ये तेरा पराया घर है अभी तेरे को दूसरे घर जाना है then you are going there तुम वहां पे भी सारे काम करो यू आर फुलफिलिंग योर मदर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी वाइफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एवरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फुलफिलिंग एवरी हाउस होल्ड वर्क देन यू नो आप क्या सुन रहे हो कि तू घर से क्या सीख के आई थी देन यू आर थिंकिंग यार लाइक आई एम डूइंग एवरीथिंग still they are thinking about that they are talking about this still they are putting this foolish point on me like what I have to do मैं अब क्या करूँ क्या you are thinking about that then you are thinking यार wait यार then you are thinking about that and then you are thinking कि मेरा घर कौन सा था फिर मैंने पूरी जिंदगी अपने चलो पैसे से ही सही मेरा बाप कमा के लाया मेरा भाई कमा के लाया मेरा पति कमा के लाया उसके पैसे से मैंने सब कुछ कर दिया बट फ्रॉम द बर्थ जब मैं पैदा हुई फ्रॉम द बॉर्न एंड जब मैं मर रही हूँ तब तक मैं तुम्हारे सारे काम ही करके जा रही हूँ आई एम डूइंग एवरीथिंग फॉर यू एंड देन मैं तभी भी यही सुन रही हूँ कि लड़कियां करती क्या है लड़के कमा के ला रहे
what do girls do
what girls do I'm still thinking I'm still listening from the society what about me what about my dreams which I left from because of my mother father and elders younger brothers and younger siblings what about that kind of thing I want to become model okay fine but my family are forcing me that हमारी एज हो गई है because you have to do job what about my dreams now what about that
what about your dream
I'm an elder daughter and I can say this very proudly that I'm having so much pressure on my shoulders because I want to become a CA I want to become a lawyer and इन सब चीजों में ना मुझे मैक्स भी बोल लूँ या मिनिमम भी बोलूँ ना 6 to 7 year लग जाएगा because I have to do ना permanent things but मेरी फैमिली प्रेशर मुझे क्या करेगा मुझे एक 15-16 हजार की नौकरी दिलवा देगा
they will make me get
16 to 17 सैलरीज वाली जॉब एंड देन मैं वो चीज भी करूंगी देन सोसाइटी का कहेगी यू नो still she is doing 16 to 17 job 16 सैलरी वाली जॉब फिर भी सुबह से शाम का जा रही है पता नहीं कहाँ जाती है पता नहीं क्या पहन के जाती है what is she wearing where she is going I don't know why these all kinds of things are coming from there so that's family pressure responsibility society pressure own pressure dream pressure study pressure academic pressure there are so many things about that yes I think girls having more responsibility
and I just want to add one more point as well here why do I believe that girls are having more responsibility I'm going to make you know about it listen attentively and carefully because it is most important thing which I'm going to say right now girls having gotten married girls are going to get married so where was I was saying that girls having gotten married everybody gets married right there is a time when they have to get married if girls are going to get married there would be the time they have to face the divorce maybe boys can have to face the divorce cases also or girls can have got to face the divorce cases what will happen with the girls have you ever thought about it have you ever thought about it girls if girls are going to be given the divorce who would take care of them neither their family, own family, nor their husband's family. Nobody would take care of her. तेरा घर तो वही है, वहीं पे जाकर के बात सुलझा अपनी जाकर के ना। अब वो अकेली हो गई, अब उसे कमाना है, अब वो कैसे कमाएगी? और उसका बच्चा भी हो गया है 4 साल का, 4 साल का, 10 साल का, 11 साल का। तो अब वो उन बच्चों को, छोटे छोटे जो बच्चे हैं 4 साल के, 10 साल के, 11 साल के बच्चे, शादी होने के बाद डिवोर्स हो जाता है, तो उसके बाद किसको सुनना पड़ता है? कभी आपने इमेजिन करा है? लड़कियों को। लड़कों का क्या है? लड़कों को तो अपना घर है, विरासत में मिल रखी है उसे प्रॉपर्टी। लड़की को क्या मिला? डॉरी सिस्टम जो भी था वो तो उसी के पास है। अब लड़ते रहो उसके केसेस के लिए, लॉज करते रहो, लॉयर्स। तो गर्ल्स आर हैविंग मोर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज देन बॉयज। व्हाई डू आई से दैट? दैट इज द मेन रीजन एज वेल. Girls having gotten married, if they get separated from their partner, from their husband, from their loved ones somehow, so they have to sacrifice their life. They have got to sacrifice their life. They have for their children. What will they do? They can't even get married second times. If they get married, so फिर दोबारा से ताने सुनो भाई, सोसाइटी के ताने, लिपस्टिक लगा ली तो ताने, हाँ भाई ये देख वो सुंदर बन के देख, वो तो भाई अच्छे कपड़े पहन करके देखा, बीबी देख, इससे टेंशन नहीं है, देख वहां पे कैसे घूम रही थी, देख अगर कहीं अच्छी जॉब लग गई उसकी तो अच्छा कमा लिया उसने, अच्छा कर लिया तो ताने। किसी के मुंह लग रही होगी जरूर, वो जरूर इसका किसी के साथ चक्कर चल रहा होगा, बॉस के साथ चक्कर होगा तभी प्रमोशन मिल रहा है इसको। अबे भाई लड़की की तो जिंदगी बेहाल ही कर रखी है, बेहाल क्या बट दूं इसको, मैं क्या करूं, क्या बट दें इसको? लड़कियों की जिंदगी तो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, क्या कर रखी है ना? तो लड़कियों की लाइफ तबाह, मतलब तबाह कर रखी है भाई। लड़की मेहनत करे तो लड़की ने मेहनत नहीं करी, अरे उसके साथ चक्कर चल रहा है तभी उसने वो लाइफ में आगे बढ़ी है। लड़के का क्या है? अरे भाई उसके पास पहले पापा का पैसा था, वो या विरासत में उसे पहले से सारी चीजें मिल रखी है। ये कोई समझेगा नहीं, ये समझने वाली बातें तुम समझते नहीं हो डीपली। मैंने ऑब्जर्व कर रखा है लाइफ को, एक्सपीरियंस करके तब जाकर मैं चीजें बोल रहा हूँ, समझ रहे हो? तो गर्ल्स आर हैविंग मोर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, दे हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ every tiny things, even whatever they are doing, at what place they are going, whatever they are doing, they have to think twice, thrice and many times, 10 times, 100 times, lakh times. They have to think whatever steps they are doing, whatever steps they are taking, they have to conjecture, ponder about it many times. So girls are having more responsibilities than boys, because we can see it as reality. It is being visible to each and every individual person. If boys are going to get married, they are going to get separated, they have everything, they can get married second times. But if it happens with the girls having gotten married, she is having 2 or 3 children, so she can't go anywhere, she can't even marry 2 times or 3 times. If she marries 2 times or 3 times, she has to be taunted by the second husband or third husband. You were having your own children since before, why will I give everything to that children? मैं उसके लिए क्यों ये लेकर के आऊं, और मैं क्यों उसे अच्छे से पालूं, क्यों उसकी अच्छे से देख रेख करूं, क्यों करूं? भाई तेरा बच्चा है, वो पहले पति का है, उसकी देखभाल तू कर, मैं क्यों करूं? मैं होता कौन हूं? कोई देख नहीं पाएगा, कोई दर्द कोई देख ही नहीं पाएगा, ये दर्द ना कोई देख नहीं पाएगा, ना फील कर पाएगा। आप लोगों के साथ होगा ना ये, तब आप समझोगे कि गर्ल्स के पास ज्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज होती है बॉयज से ज्यादा। आपके आंखों में ना ये सिर्फ टॉपिक ही नहीं है, इसको ना फील करके देखो, आपको ना रोना आ जाएगा। मैं सही बता रहा हूँ आपको ना, जब पता चलेगा ना लड़कियों का दर्द, पहले तो 9 महीने का दर्द, बच्चे को 9 महीने तक पेट में रखो वो दर्द, उसके बाद आफ्टर begetting the children, if fight takes place, squabble takes place, people, girls start fighting, start niggling, quibbling, pettifogging over petty things with the husband, then she has to also listen there, she has to sacrifice her dream. And even though she has to work for the betterment of their children, even though if she is working for the betterment of their children, if the children are not getting good marks, high marks in the examination, she has to be taunted at that time as well by the husband. तू कर क्या रही थी घर में भाई? फोकस नहीं था तेरा बच्ची के ऊपर? क्या कर रही थी, कहाँ गई थी? हाँ, ये फिर ताने सुनो घर में। यू आर स्टेइंग ऑल टाइम एट होम, ये मेरी ऑब्जर्वेशन है, मैं कहीं से नहीं, मेरी ऑब्जर्वेशन के साथ बोल रहा हूँ और कुछ नहीं, राइट? तो आप भाई तुम घर में कर क्या रहे थे? मैं बाहर जॉब कर रहा था, मेरा टाइम नहीं था मेरे पास, मैं बाहर कमाने में था। तू क्या कर रही थी घर में? बच्चे की देखभाल क्यों नहीं करी तूने? क्यों नहीं करी?
सर नहीं हो पाई।
समझ में आ रहा है? एट दैट टाइम ऑल्सो गर्ल्स हैव टू बी ग्राउंड, पिसना पड़ता है। बोलो तो समझ में आ रहा है? तो गर्ल्स आर हैविंग मोर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज देन boys. Are we all able to see that?
You know, I'm having sir, I'm having an example. You know also that person, and I know that person also. His father has passed away, and we means you and me know that person. Means his mother is not capable to earn money, but he is here, means in contact of you, in contact of me, and trying to work hard and trying to work hard and trying to earn money. And you know very well that whose I'm talking about. He said me that don't take his name, so that's why I'm not taking his name. He is working hard. He is working so many. His father has passed away. Who have to, you was about divorce and like girls having more responsibility. You know, in the whole society only means see the faces of the girls. The shakal dekh lo, you know, only this kind of things happens. You only watching the faces of the girls, which means why girls are means with the girls this is happening, with the girls the ladies, with the women this is happening, and this kind of things are happening. They're only seeing only these things. They are not seeing the faces of the boys, how boys are facing and how boys are doing that all things. All responsibilities can't handle by a single woman, a single girl. Responsibility is automatically come to on the shoulder of boys. Why parents are investing on a boy? Because after some time he will do something for his he will do something for his career. I want to say these things, sir. Even about divorce means when the girl is distracting from a boy, means a man and a woman get distracted with a small chance. जरूर तो नहीं है सर कि woman ही साहब बच्चे लेके जाए, custody होती है. अब ये तो नहीं है कि means why it can happen in some cases, that means the boys refusing the child, that I want a children. I don't want a child. In some cases, but in some cases that means the boys men are also getting the responsibility of child custody. When they're taking the divorce from the woman, they have to give any money to the woman. उनको पैसा देना पड़ता है. ये नहीं कि divorce लेना. तो इसमें even sir is showing them it's only face of girls, that girls means when they are getting this divorce, they are means अकेली बेसहारा, जो वो लाखों रुपए लेके चली जाती है. Means what we can say so many live examples are there. Means शादी करो, पति को मारो, एनी मनी लो और चले जाओ. We can see this examples. You know, again you know when a woman get divorced by a man, so she will get the custody. Means she will get the custody of a boy, of course. Not means a girl की मिले ना मिले, उसकी boy को जरूर मिलता है. एक लड़का उसको जरूर मिलता है. You know why? Because
लड़के के साथ ताने भी मिलते हैं. फिर
सर लड़के के साथ ताने के साथ sir, which kind of ताने sir which sir only means they get a boy, of course, and with the boy को श्रेणी दे रहे हैं कि boy मेरा लाडला ना. Boy is given to the mother for what? For handling the responsibilities. I can say that one person, you know, and me, I also know that for one person who is means in our connectivity. His father is not in the world, but he's working hard and more hard for his family and earning. Still we know, आप ये मना नहीं कर सकते कि ऐसा नहीं होता है. It happens. I'm going to live example.
So,
and
hadn't I told about it that his mother is also working hard?
What, sir?
His mother is also working hard, na?
So
we can't say that he's only working hard.
So okay.
His mother is also working.
His mother is also working hard. But you know, if father would be there, so only father would be working in the family. But if mother is there, so that 16-year-old have to means live the means just 16 साल के बच्चे को पता नहीं होता है कमाना क्या होता है ना. उसको पता होता है कि मेरे को स्कूल जाना है, पढ़ना है, अपने असाइनमेंट्स पूरे करने हैं, प्रोजेक्ट्स पूरे करने हैं, टीचर्स के पास जाना है, एंड मींस हैव टू ग्रैब द गुड मार्क्स इन द एग्जाम. comes, he doesn't know that how to earn money. But in the age when the father have passed away, he have to learn that how to earn money. He learned that how to respond, how to means handle the sisters. He have to learn how to handle his mother. If something wrong happens with the mother and the sister, like how I have to handle, how I have to handle in how I have to handle. Our the boys always are being protector and the supporter of the girls. It a responsibility, sir. That again I will say one point you are saying, when a girl go to an institution, boy are forced to means go with them. Why? Because boy have to become a protector. Girls manage नहीं कर सकती है, लड़ नहीं सकती है, like physically they are physically weak than the boys. That's a boys are means forced to go with them. If something happens तो वहाँ लड़कियाँ इतना नहीं लड़ पाएंगी जितना लड़के means how means boys will handle that situation. Boys having more and more and more, and sir, I know your story also.
मेरी स्टोरी छोड़ो, मैं
नहीं sir, I know your story
you
also.
are seeing one thing. You are seeing that girls can fight from one to another because they are physically fit, but you don't know girls are mentally fit. They can defeat rest of so many people. They can defeat so many people with their mind. Girls are considered they are intelligent, they are sagacious than boys. Boys get angry, boys get angry, exasperated over anything. Hey, why had you said to me like that? How did you dare to say to me like that? Like that. Boys tend to show what? Their angerness. That's all. But if you talk about girls, girls can politely defeat anyone. Girls can do so many things you can't even know about it. Hey, dear man, hey, you are so like that.
Sir.
Girls are more sagacious, having gotten angry, having been like having been healthy and wealthy. You can't say that you are having more responsibilities. Girls are also having more responsibility. We can see that girls are more intelligent, sagacious. They are killing two birds with one stone. They are working very hard. They are working two works. They are working at home as well. They are working outside as well. They are washing utensils. They are taking care of children as well. They are taking care of every family. Girls are taking care of each and every person. We can't see that. Is it not being visible to everyone?
Sir,
it is being visible to everyone.
Sir,
we can see that if girls hadn't been there, it means that women hadn't been there, would we have been able to be alive? Now we are able to live better life just because of our mother. Our mother they have been giving us a good delicacy, good courtesy. Having been given good delicacy, good courtesy, that's why we are able to live good life. We are having good delicacy, courtesy just because of our parents, just because of our mother. I would not say that just because of our parents, I would say just because of our parent. Parent means one person in family, like mother either or father. But I am pointing mother. Because of mother, we are having good delicacy and courtesy. Because we spend most of the time with our mother, not with our father. They are even going outside, but not giving time to us. But
Sir,
our mother is giving time.
Sir,
They are more focused. They are scolding her,
Sir.
chastising her for studying. Hey, Sarban, where are you going? My child, come here and study. Focus on that. And then
Sir,
she is
sir,
complaining to father.
sir,
Then
sir,
father
sir,
is
sir.
scolding you.
Sir.
Who knows you better? Who knows you in a better way? Your
Sir.
mother knows you in a better way, not your father even.
Sir,
Father gets to know after what? After she complains to father. Then father
Sir, sir.
scolds you. Are you getting or not? In majority of the cases, I'm not talking about minority. I'm talking about majority of the cases that you will see it. You will be able to find that. You will be able to witness it as it is being visible to everyone. Because girls are having more responsibility than boys.
okay, sir.
And if you were talking about that story, which I had let you know, that's why you're talking about that story. I just want to let you know one thing. Do you know the full story? Who was also sacrificing? Don't you know about?
Here
Don't you know
come
about
the
his?
also word,
Don't you know
sir.
about his mother?
Sir.
He was also working very hard, na? He was also taking care of the children.
Sir,
If she hadn't taken care of the children, would he have been able to do something?
Sir, I want to say one thing, sir. Sir, I want to say one thing. The word word also comes in this sentence, sir. When the father was there, it means without the father, only mother can't do anything. If mother can do without the father, so then in this situation, the boy doesn't have to work. अगर मम्मी अकेली कर सकती, if a female can do a thing and alone, so the लड़कों को काम करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती, लड़कियों को काम करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. The girl is more responsible than the means more responsible than the boy. You are saying the sentence that means only sir, you are saying about the mothers. Means mother means say like बच्चा don't go there, come here and study this one, and then she means call their father and means say when their father is outside and working. You know, sir, मैं क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ, क्या पापा को मीन्स अच्छा नहीं लगता होगा अपने बेटे के साथ रहना, अपनी बेटियों के साथ रहना, अपनी पत्नी के साथ रहना, टाइम स्पेंड करना? Why he is sacrificing his time? Why is he sacrificing his sweating? Why is sacrificing? Like who don't like means who doesn't want the means good quality of time with his family members? किसको अच्छा नहीं लगता? क्या तुम्हें अच्छा लगता है पापा के साथ बैठ के खाना खाना? तुमको अच्छा नहीं लगता अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ बैठ के बातें करना? But why that one person is sacrificing? Because that one person have to earn money, that one person have to hold the responsibilities on the shoulders. अगर एक दिन वो ना, एक दिन वही, if one day that one person, that one man will not go the office and the means what kicked him out, only the girls will there, means they will say told the boy, means you are not going out, you're not working, you're not doing this all things. It, you know, I am talking about the majority of cases, sir, not in minority. Majority of cases this all things happens. The girls are taunting the boys. In so many cases also, sir, when a boy come in under teenage, when he become trying to become an adult, means in that means 19, 20, 21, the whole family responsibilities on him. बहन की शादी कौन कराएगा? भाई कमाएगा ना, कमा रहा है वो, लाइक भाई कमाएगा ना, भाई देगा, मैं अपने पैसा लगा देता हूँ, फिर बाद में भाई मेरे को देखेगा. मेरी दूसरी घर का लोन कौन चुकता करेगा? अरे बेटा बड़ा होगा मेरा. घर की ईएमआई कौन चुकता करेगा? अरे मेरा बेटा बड़ा होगा ना अभी थोड़ी दिनों में. Means from the starting the boys are having धीरे धीरे now responsibility are putting on the shoulders by and by. I said by and by. Only means you know only means only doing utensils, only doing this. Only means you can say I know it is very hard for washing the utensils. सर्दियों में बर्तन धोना बहुत खत्म होता है. सर्दियों में सुबह जल्दी उठना बहुत, बट वही बंदा सर्दियों में जल्दी उठ के, when a person who is having 7 a.m. job, he have to get up at 5 a.m. like do that all things and do that means get ready. Like why for the supports? बट वो घर पर रहकर सपोर्ट करती है. बट वो मैन हैव टू गो आउटसाइड, बाइक चलानी पड़ती है, कैब में जाना, जैसे भी वो जाता है, बट दे हैव टू स्ट्रगल फॉर रीचिंग दैट ऑफिस टाइम. इफ ही इज गेटिंग लेट, एक बार को मैं बात कर मींस व्हेन ही इज गेटिंग लेट, द बॉस इज मींस बस बिकम एग्रेसिव ऑन द मैन एंड से व्हाई आर यू कमिंग लेट? What is this? You are late here. I have fired you. At that time, the man have to means sir. मिन्नतें करता है एक टाइप से. They like the man of beseech, that's boss, sorry please. Beseech means crying in front of the boss that please boss, no, I mean don't fire me, don't fire me. I'm having my wife. At the time also he's not thinking about himself. He at the time also talks about what? मेरे पास बच्चे हैं, मेरे पास मेरी बीवी है, मेरे को उनका देखभाल करनी है. अगर वो अगर बॉय चाहता पैसे लेता, घर पे ना देके अपने पास रखता और अपनी मौज मस्ती कर सकता था. He can do this all thing within sync. But what a father do, what a brother do, what all कुछ बच्चे होते हैं. I know some boys are there. बाहर भी बैठा हुआ एक. Some boys are there. You know they are only becoming hooligan. They are not having responsibilities on their shoulder. They are not having responsibilities on their shoulder. They are not having responsibilities on their shoulder. They are doing awaragardi and that all things become a hooligan, going either and thither. Why they are going and either and thither? Because that one person is not having his father. जब बच्चे के सर पे से पापा का हाथ हट जाता है, माँ क्या करती है? प्यार करती है, दुलार करती है कि मेरा बेटा है, मेरा बेटा. पापा क्या करता है? वो लिमिट क्रॉस नहीं होने देता है. वो लिमिट अब जैसे पापा हट जाता है ना, वो लिमिट क्रॉस हो जाती है और बच्चा बिगड़ जाता है. कुछ बच्चे समझ जाते हैं एंड कुछ बच्चे बिगड़ जाते हैं. एक एग्जांपल, बाहर ही बैठा हुआ सर, आप मना नहीं कर सकते मेरे को. now you can deny me, you know sir, there are so many words sir. A man is playing a very vital necessary role in the life of a family, protecting, making a limit making it that all making means all the things. Fathers are means the not only fathers, the only boys communities are there who works harder and harder for what? For not their self, for the family of them. डाइवोर्स के टाइम एनी मनी देनी है, डाइवोर्स के टाइम एनी मनी देनी है, अगर वाइफ सर डाइवोर्स के टाइम एनी मनी देनी है, लड़की को सरकारी नौकरी मिलनी है, ये फैक्ट है, इंडियन गवर्नमेंट पीएनएल का रूल है। डाइवोर्स लोगे एनी मनी मिलेगी, लड़की को सरकारी नौकरी मिलेगी, बाप कमाने वाला एक जरिया मिलेगा, उसका बेटा मिलेगा, उसको ऑफ कोर्स उसका बेटा मिलेगा, कस्टडी उसके बेटे के पास जाएगी, जब तक वो कस्टडी उसके बेटे के पास जाएगी। शी इज हैविंग ऑल द रिसोर्सेज बाय व्हिच शी कैन अर्न मनी। बट मैन का वो तो वापस वहीं के खड़ा होगा ना, जब उसने शुरुआत करी थी, एंड ही हैव टू अर्न, दोबारा सीढ़ी चढ़नी पड़ेगी उसे अपनी अच्छाई की। जरूरी नहीं कि मैन ही हमेशा गलत हो, वुमेन्स आर आल्सो समटाइम रॉन्ग्स।
So here we have another person who is experienced also. Yeah, she has gotten married.
हेलो सर, मैं ये बोलना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि लड़के देखो सभी एक जैसे नहीं होते हैं, वो बात तो ठीक है इनकी, सभी एक जैसे नहीं होते, लेकिन आज का समय ऐसा है लड़के ज्यादातर सारे बेकार ही निकल रहे हैं। नहीं, मम्मी पापा अगर पैसे वाली भी पार्टी होगी ना, पैसे वाले भी होंगे तो भी क्या ना अनाथ आश्रम में छोड़ आते हैं, अपने मम्मी पापा को अनाथ आश्रम में छोड़ आते हैं। तो जब कौन देखता है? बेटी देखती है, बेटी देखती हैं। तो देखो लड़का एक बार को माँ बाप का दुख देख सकता है, लेकिन लड़कियां नहीं देख सकती, लड़कियां नहीं देख सकती माँ बाप का दुख, बेटा देख सकता है। और उन्हें अगर पापा का हाथ है, अगर बच्चा समझेगा, माँ बाप को समझेगा तो ही कुछ हो सकता है, अगर नहीं समझेगा ना, यार दोस्त उसको बिगाड़ देते हैं और यार दोस्तों के चक्कर में बिगड़ जाता है। उसके लिए ना माँ ना बाप कोई नहीं है, ना बहन कोई नहीं है। तो मेरा तो ये कहना है कि ना मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि लड़की वैसे सपोर्ट में ज्यादातर माँ बाप के रहती हैं, लड़के से ज्यादा लड़की रहती हैं, और लड़की की जिंदगी ये सोचो बहुत बेकार है,
सही में
बहुत बेकार जिंदगी है। इधर ससुराल वालों के ताने सुनने, बच्चों को देखना, हस्बैंड को देखना, सास ससुर को देखना, इधर एक सेकंड फिर इधर से फिर मायके वालों की आती है, बेटा हम परेशान है आ जा, ये वो, तो इधर भी देखना उधर भी देखना, और ससुराल वाले को ना सुने तो उधर मुश्किल, और इधर मायके वालों को ना सुने तो उधर मुश्किल। तो मेरा तो ये कहना, लड़की की लाइफ तो बेकार है, हर चीज से बेकार है लड़की की लाइफ। लड़के का क्या कमाना, और बाहर अपने एंजॉय करते हैं अच्छे से, और कमाएंगे अपने अच्छे से रहते हैं लड़के। तो लड़के की जिंदगी तो फिर भी ठीक है, लड़की की ज्यादा खराब है।
And Saranvia,
बहुत बड़े क्लैप, अरे क्लैप।
And Saranvia, you are saying about that कि लड़कियों का क्या है, शादी करेंगी, काटा ड्रम में डाला, एलमनी ली निकल ली। अब हम पता है, वेट अ सेकेंड, मैं बताऊं, शादी के टाइम ना अगर लड़का किसी भी लड़की के साथ वो रिश्ता लेकर जाता है ना, तो उसके घर वाले मोस्टली क्या देखते हैं कि ये लड़की डाउरी कितनी दे रही है हमें, ये कितना दहेज दे रही है हमें, ये मेरे को प्लॉट दे रही है, रोटी बनानी आती नहीं आती, घर का काम आता है नहीं आता है, हमें कितना प्लॉट दे रही है, कितने पैसे दे रही है।
बोलेगा वो डॉरी कौन देता है?
सर फिर भी और सर ड्रामे कटने की बात नहीं, शादी के बाद ना एक केस था, शादी के बाद ना लड़के ने ना लड़की का काटा पीस और फेंक दी जंगलों में। अब बोलो आप अभी सर ही इज जस्ट सेइंग द वेट अ सेकंड सर, he is just saying recent cases, he is not going like in the past many boys just cutted the pieces of the girls, cut the pieces of the girls and thrown in the drum or kept in the fridge or something, and he is just seeing that recently cases, he is not seeing cases like
Then?
Yeah.
Okay. I would like to say one case also here. I would like to put one case also here. When you know what, Shan, you are saying that boys are having a responsibility. This all dowry alimony ले रही है, ये कर रही है, dowry बाप भरेगा, ये करेगा, भाई आ रहा है, भाई शादी कराएगा, ये करेगा. You put everything. But you know what? When you are an elder daughter, and then you are thinking about your siblings, and then for them you are going on a job, you are getting a job, then you are getting a raped, तुम्हारा रेप हो जाता है. You know what? कौन सा केस की बात कर रही हूँ? डॉक्टर. अब तुम ये तो नहीं बोल सकते कि उसने पहना ही होगा या कैरेक्टरलेस होगी या ये होगी या वो होगी. शी इज हैविंग a responsibility on her shoulder.
And she was just wearing a white coat.
लड़कों से ज्यादा लड़की तरक्की कर रही है हर चीज में.
White coat में अगर वो सॉरी
वाइट कोट सारे काम कर सकती है लड़की.
हम ब्लैक कोट में करते हैं.
एक बार को जेंट्स लड़का एक बार को छोड़ देगा परिवार, लेकिन लड़की नहीं छोड़ सकती अपना परिवार.
And you were saying
नहीं मैं उनको दे दूंगी इसको थोड़ी देर. नहीं नहीं कंप्लीट तो करने दो. एंड शी वाज जस्ट वेयरिंग अ वाइट कोट लाइक मी.
Now we are going to have full energy के साथ.
एंड शी एंड वो लड़की, अरे वेट वो लड़की क्या रही थी? कैरेक्टरलेस थी? बिल्कुल नहीं. वो पता क्या कर रही थी? लोग भी जाने बचा रही थी. स्टिल उसी को मार दिया.
their family members.
नहीं
No, sorry, other.
she was treating a patients, still get raped. क्या गलती थी उसमें कि पेशेंट्स को देख रही थी तो मर जाने देती ना ऐसे लोगों को. फिर तो वो अगर इसीलिए अगर उसको रेप कर दिया गया तो शी इज हैविंग रिस्पांसिबिलिटी. उसके लिए जॉब पे भी निकल गए, रेप भी हो गई, ताने भी सुन लिए, गाली भी खा ली, सब कर लिया, फिर भी क्या बोला गया? लड़की थी. रिस्पांसिबिलिटी तो थोड़ी थी, मर गई अब तो.
Characterless होगी.
कैरेक्टरलेस होगी.
कपड़े पहनेंगे होंगे. Sir, this.
Okay, sir, whatever she was saying, I accept that thing. That so many cases are there. So many cases are there. Means in that cases, the boys are means guilty. Boys are guilty and means get up. Boys are guilty. I know in so many cases, but I see some boys are. Can you see this five? Can you see these 5 fingers? One is big, one is small, one is medium. What is no? They are having. They are. You know, everyone is not same. Everyone is not same. If you are saying about the boys are there. They means doing rape. They doing the rapes of girls and means doing that so many bad things. Girls are also there. I can can openly talk about that thing. Girls are also there. They are also doing so many things which shouldn't do that all the things. But girls are doing also that things. Only not boys are there in the group in both communities. Some people are there who are means some people are there means who are disrespecting who are disrespecting the whole community. Some people, not a whole. जैसे मैंने examples देते हैं, कुछ examples देते हैं, वैसे only some people are there. Auntie was saying about
You can take her name.
हाँ क्या नाम है आपका? Kavita ji was saying Kavita ji was saying that what she was saying आजकल लड़के खराब ही निकल रहे हैं. मैं मानता हूँ लड़के खराब निकल रहे हैं. क्या वो लड़के फिर घर पे ही रहते हैं? उनको भगा दिया जाता है.
नहीं घर में भी रहते हैं.
घर में रहते हैं. Of course सी बात है. In a limit of time. In the limit of time they are living in the home. But in so many majority of cases are there means they are means throw out from their not in India it commonly doesn't happen, but in outside in other countries it is happening. Means the boys are thrown out of the family if they are not earning. In India so many cases are there. They are means thrown out of the family. They are not earning. They are not doing anything for their family. She was saying about the dowry and that all system. I would say who is means a boy is there who is earning money, who is lifting the responsibilities. She was saying ये पता नहीं ये कह रही थी कि जब क्या नाम से लड़का लड़की के घर आता है एंड देखता है कि सबसे पहले ये पूछा कितने को दहेज मिल रहा है, लड़के को रोटी बनानी आती है नहीं आती है. क्या लड़की वाले ये नहीं पूछते लड़का कितना कमा रहा है? क्या लड़की वाले ये नहीं पूछते लड़का का घर है, खुद का घर है या किराए पर आ रहा है, कैसे रह रहा है, कितने कमरे कैसे रहेंगे? It also happens in the society. Only the boys are not there who are doing that doing that pathetic things. Girls are also there. And when girls family members come to boys house, check everything कि बॉय का घर कैसा है, कमा रहा है नहीं कमा रहा है, कितना कमा रहा है, नशे करता है नहीं करता है. He have to check all the things. At that situation also boy have to sacrifice, not girls. Girls means इक्का दुक्का निकल जाते हैं कोई कीचड़ कीचड़ में से, इक्का दुक्का नहीं, 19-20 का फर्क आ जाता है, 19-20 लाख का फर्क आ जाता है, यू नो। नो सर, कुछ होते होंगे। मैंने एग्जाम्पल्स दिए थे आपको, कुछ बाहर बैठे हुए हैं, कुछ आगे भी इधर उधर घूम रहे हैं बच्चे, वो हो सकते हैं ऐसे, मैं नहीं कहता हूँ, बट मोस्ट ऑफ बॉयज आर नॉट सेम। दे आर हियर वर्किंग हार्ड फॉर देयर फैमिली मेंबर्स, for the family members and for the family members and doing that all things. I would like to say, if girls is earning money for their own self,
देखो
किसी केसेस में वो अपनी फैमिली मेंबर के लिए कमाते हैं, for किसी केसेस you know sir, किसी केसेस में ना सर, in some cases the girls are earning, नहीं sir, in some cases girls are earning money for girls are earning money for some cases they are also getting their preference also, but you know I'm so many friends, आपके ना कुछ खराब लड़के निकलते हैं, वो खराब लड़के यहाँ ऑटो चलाते हैं एंड पैसे कमाते हैं, और खराब लड़के निकलते हैं ऑटो चलाते हैं, पैसे कमाते हैं और वो पैसे को घर पे देते हैं।
नहीं वो तो सभी
कुछ अलग अलग काम भी करते हैं, काम करके पैसे कमाते हैं। हाँ ओके सर, कुछ लड़के मैं भी बता दूंगा सर, जो यू नो सर, आई वांट टू डोंट माइंड डिस्क्लेमर, डोंट माइंड मैं बोल दूं सर, बोलो, डू यू नो सर रेड लाइट एरियाज,
हाँ
गर्ल्स बॉय वहाँ लड़के नहीं होते हैं, मींस दे आर नॉट द ओनली, दे आर नॉट बॉयज, द गर्ल्स आर देयर, the girls are there, they are selling that all whatever they do. मैं क्या बोलूं सर, I don't want to say that, I don't want to,
हाँ
I don't want to means clear means this one, the girls are there, ची राम हाँ whatever it was, हाँ, you know girls are also there sir. If girls are there, shouldn't rape Sandra, why the rape cases are happening this all? गलत नहीं जा रहा हूँ मैं,
ये बोलो, let us
You know what kind of thing is talking about now? Red light district, brothel बोलते हो उसे? brothel, हाँ, वहाँ लड़कियाँ काम भी क्यों कर रही है जानते हो? When you are having a support of your parents, then तुम वहां जा रहे हो। लड़के वहां क्यों जा रहे हैं? अपने मौज मस्ती के लिए। समझ आता है कुछ? अगर हम काम कर रहे ना वहां, अपने खुद की खुशी से अपनी इज्जत बेच के काम नहीं कर रही है वो लड़की वहां पे। शी इज, बेचने को क्या बोलता? शी इज सेलिंग हर, अरे हो जाता है कभी कभार, सुनती हूँ ना ऐसी चीजें तो आउट ऑफ माइंड हो जाती मैं। शी इज सेलिंग हर इज्जत, इज्जत बोलूंगी। शी इज सेलिंग हर रिस्पेक्ट, हर बॉडी इन अ रेड लाइट डिस्ट्रिक्ट बिकॉज ऑफ मनी, बिकॉज ऑफ एंजॉयमेंट। नो, कोई लड़की ऐसा एंजॉयमेंट नहीं चाहती शर्बन। शी इज सेलिंग हर बॉडी, हर रिस्पेक्ट बिकॉज भाई उसके पास सपोर्ट ही नहीं है। उसके पास एल्डर ब्रदर भी होंगे एंड वो पैसा ना खुद की एंजॉयमेंट, अपना क्या ऐसा एंजॉयमेंट लेगी जो अपनी इज्जत बेच दी उस लड़की ने। इफ यू आर टॉकिंग, मैं ही श्रवण ने जैसे बोला, मैं ही पॉइंट लाना नहीं चाहता था, मैं भी ये लाना नहीं चाहती थी, लाना नहीं चाहती थी, बट मुझे यहाँ पॉइंट ये रखना पड़ा। हम अपनी मर्जी से नहीं कर रहे, सॉरी मैं क्यों कहूँगा सॉरी, लड़कियां नहीं, लड़कियों में मैं भी इंक्लूड होती हूँ। हाँ, लड़कियां जो है ये अपनी मर्जी से कोई काम नहीं कर रही, अपने इंजॉयमेंट के लिए नहीं कर रही है। और जो लड़के वहां जा रहे हैं ना, वो अपना पैसा क्यों कमा रहे हैं? इसके लिए कमा रहे हैं, फिर इसके लिए कमा रहे हैं शर्मन लड़के पैसे, ऑटो कमा रहे हैं। वेट यू नो व्हाट शर्मन, यू नो व्हाट, लड़का ना ऑटो चला रहा है, पैसा कमा रहा है, मगर वो सिगरेट फूक रहा है, फिर वो वहां जा रहा है, फिर वो एंजॉय कर रहा है, फिर वो दारू पी के ना लेटने बोलते हैं, फिर वो ना रोड पे लेटा पड़ा है, कर रहा है
वो स्टेटस लगा रहा है
हाँ
कभी नहीं कभी
वो है मुझे पीने का, हाँ फिर सर यू नो व्हाट्स आई पुट अप वन पॉइंट, लाइक मींस इट आल्सो हैपेंस, सम बैड गर्ल्स आर आल्सो देयर, ओनली यू आर सेइंग I mean now you are saying, means you are what,
कोई बैड गर्ल नहीं है,
you know sir, of course some bad girls are also there. I mean, they are saying no one bad girl is there, like who is like she is going there or not. I don't. Of course, when you बोल चमच के ऊपर थोड़ा और आगे. I will say again. I say some in both community, not in only one community. In both community, some boys are also there, some girls are also there. जो हाथ से निकले हुए हैं, who are means gone from the hand and doing this kind of things and means मुंह काला कर रहे हैं दोनों community का. But some good persons are also there in both communities who are working hard and supporting each other. एक जैसे सबको blame नहीं कर सकते. I was saying only one example. That's it. Sorry if anyone minds about the topics. Disclaimer पहले दे चुका हूँ. बुरा लगा तो बाहर मिल लेना, कोई बात नहीं.
अरे लेकर आओगे आप?
Yeah, so we can see that girls are literally working at home as well, at outside as well. She is working at both places, outside and at home as well, right? She is taking care of the children as well, right? We can see that it is being visible to each and every individual person. So now if we see that boys are able to educate themselves, boys are able to do something, boys are able to get job in MNC company, boys are able to get government job, private job, and many opportunity, gold mine of a good opportunity is always near you. You need a keen eye and mindset. But you know that who is assisting you, just having you get an opportunity? Your mothers are there. They are assisting you in just having you become more productive. You are able to become more productive. Are you getting or not? So you are being more productive just because of your mother. If your mother hadn't been there, you would not have been able to be more productive. First of all, you are being more productive just because of your mother. She is more focused on the education, on the education of the children. If she hadn't been there at home for making you remember about the education, you would not have been focusing more. You would have become maverick. Maverick, avara. Like you would have been playing either would have been going one to another places, like would have been playing PUBG and all. You are being scolded just because of your mother. They are having more responsibility than boys. We can see that boys are just going outside working and earning money, and after that they are giving money to the wife. After that, what happens if any if children are not going to educate themselves, so they have to be taunted by the husband. It happens. So women have to take care of their children as well. They have to educate themselves. They have to take the responsibility of house as well. They have to clean house as well. They have to work outside as well. They are working as well, right? Aren't they working outside? There are lots of girls are there. They are working outside as well and working at home, right? So girls are having more responsibility than boys, because if girls are not going to lift their their responsibility on their shoulder, so boys would not be able to become something, or they would not be able to become anything in their life. They are able to become something in their life just because of girls. You can see that it is being visible to everyone, because girls having been at home, they are sacrificing their dreams and taking care of the children, giving the good guidance, focusing on the education. If they hadn't been focusing on the education, now whatever you are doing, you are able to work outside in MNC company, wherever you are working in showroom, or you are able to create your own showroom, or you are able to become a businessman just because of the guidance of your mother. Isn't there the support of your mother? There is the support of your mother on you, that you are being supported by your family member. They are there. Or if I say that family member, they are your mother. Mean to say, she is your mother. Are you getting or not? She is your mother in family member, if I talk about it. So she is your she is your mother, who is assisting you, just having you become what you want to become in your life just because of your mother. Mother is having more responsibility on her shoulder, right? So it was nice session. It was splendid cheers session. और इस दुनिया का कोई ढंग नहीं, अगर पास है अच्छी एजुकेशन, तो सब कुछ है मेरे दोस्त, वरना कोई संग नहीं. तो और your mother is working for the betterment of your education. Your mother is working for the betterment of your education. If your mother is there who is working for the betterment of your education, she is sending you to the school, she is taking care of every tiny steps which she should take, she must take, she has been taking for the long period of time. If she hadn't been taking, you would not have been able to become something in her life. Right? So mother plays an immense role in the career of every individual children. Whatever they are able to become just because of mother. And our mother is a girl. So girls are having more responsibility than boys. We can see that if boys are able to earn money as well, they are able to earn just because of Girls. If girls hadn't been there at home for taking care of the children, then children become the father one day. Who becomes the father? Children become the father, na? And who is taking care of that children? Mother, not father. बच्चा ही तो एक दिन पापा बनते हैं, लड़का ही तो आपका जो बच्चा है वही तो कल को मम्मी है, पापा बनता है, और मम्मी बच्चे को बनाती है तब जाकर के वो अच्छी जॉब पा पाता है अपनी लाइफ में। अगर बच्चे पे फोकस ना करे, मदर कौन है? एक लेडी से तो है, लड़की तो ही है। अगर वो अच्छे से एजुकेशन पे उसकी फोकस ना करे, उसको डिस्ट्रैक्ट होने दे, अगर उसको डिस्ट्रैक्ट जो कर रहा है उसे करने दे, माता अगर उस पर ध्यान ना दे, तो फिर तुम्हें पता ही है बच्चा गलत रास्ते में चला जाएगा। गलत रास्ते में जाएगा तो लड़का क्या कर पाएगा? कुछ कर ही नहीं पाएगा अपनी लाइफ में। अब जो कर पा रहा है अपनी लाइफ में वो अपनी मम्मी की वजह से कर पा रहा है, सही डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है। आज अगर मैं कुछ भी जो भी कुछ कर रहा हूँ अपनी लाइफ में, थोड़ा सा भी मैंने इतना कुछ किया नहीं अपनी लाइफ में, लेकिन अगर कर रहा हूँ तो कहीं ना कहीं मेरी मम्मी का हाथ है तभी तो। अगर कोई भी लड़का या कोई भी लड़की अपनी लाइफ में कुछ करता है तो उसके पीछे हाथ किसका होता है? मम्मी का। सबसे पहले मम्मी है, फिर पापा है। फर्स्ट मम्मी है, उसके बाद पापा है। पापा को कंप्लेन जाती है, मम्मी कंप्लेन करती है पापा को, तब जाकर पापा डांटते हैं बच्चे को, वरना पापा डांटेंगे क्यों? बच्चे के बारे में पता ही नहीं है क्या कर रहा क्या नहीं कर रहा। ऑब्वियसली घर में अगर मम्मी रहती है तो मम्मी के ऊपर ज्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है ना। घर में रह रही तो एक बच्चे की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मम्मी के ऊपर है। बच्चा किस रास्ते में जा रहा है, गलत रास्ते में चला गया तो क्या होगा? सही डायरेक्शन में जा रहा तो अच्छी बात है, मम्मी के लिए भी अच्छा हो जाएगा, काम थोड़ा मम्मी के लिए कम हो जाएगा। अगर बच्चा खुद से अपने एफर्ट्स लगा करके अच्छे रास्ते में जा रहा है तो मम्मी का थोड़ा काम कम हो जाता है। गलत कह रहा हूँ सही कह रहा हूँ? बात समझ में आ रही है? अगर बच्चा फिर भी गलत रास्ते चला जाता है तो इसमें फिर भी देखो मम्मी का, अगर बच्चा खुद से अपने एफर्ट्स लगा रहा है, अच्छे रास्ते में जा रहा है, सही डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है, तो मम्मी का तुम थोड़ा काम कम कर रहे हो। इसका मतलब ये है कि आप मम्मी का थोड़ा काम कम कर रहे हो ताकि मम्मी और चीजों में भी फोकस कर सके, राइट? तो भाई मम्मी हमारी है तभी हम बहुत अच्छे बन पाते हैं अपनी लाइफ में। तो मम्मी की रिस्पेक्ट करो सभी जने, और गर्ल्स को रिस्पेक्ट दो। गर्ल्स की वजह से गर्ल्स के पास ज्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है, मैं यहाँ तक देख पा रहा हूँ। और देखोगे अगर आप यहाँ क्लास में भी देखो, ज्यादातर लड़कियां ही बैठी हुई हैं, वो देखो मोर फोकस्ड हैं अपनी लाइफ में। अरे तुमने अभी बताया ना, कुछ लड़के ऐसे, कुछ तुमने बोला अभी खुद ही यू हैड गिवन दिस एग्जांपल, कुछ लड़के ऐसे होते हैं जो कि अभी भी है, बाहर बैठा हुआ है, बोला था ना, चाहता तो वो क्लास तो कुछ क्या कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। तो ऐसे, लेकिन लड़कियां देखो बहुत फोकस्ड है। क्लास में देख लो कितनी सारी लड़कियां हैं, यहाँ तक कि लड़कियां क्या देखो, लेडीज फोकस अपनी लाइफ में है, राइट? ये कुछ ग्रो करना चाहती है, कुछ अच्छा करना चाहती है, right? Wish you all the very best. See you in the next session. So now I think we are going to end this session, okay? Wish you all the very best. See you in the next session.